probably gonna honk shortly too. So maybe they're gonna take this train to Oakland and reverse it as a 718.
Maybe. Depends on the crew too, right?
Oh yeah, it's already passed. It's on its way.
The crew going from Oakland all the way to Bakersfield.
Oh, there it is. Is it just me or is it going way too slow?
It's just the way it looks. I can see the crossing strip at Byron.
See, it's already through Byron.
No, but I
Oh,
can
the
see
signals are going down there. Oh, yeah, SC44. It's already